Aspire Lounge at the Zurich Airport is near gate E52. It is upstairs, away from the crowds. This is a business class lounge for some non-affiliated carriers that serve Zurich and also a priority pass lounge. If the lounge is not at capacity, other travelers are welcome. But if you don't qualify because you're flying first or business class or have a priority pass, you'll need to pay somewhere between 30 to 45 Swiss francs to enter. We were flying British Airways business class on our way back to Arizona, so we had access to this lounge. Zurich has two Aspire lounges. We visited the Aspire lounge in the E-Gate area. This is a very small lounge. It doesn't have restrooms or showers. You must go outside of the lounge to use the public facilities. Yeah, that seems really weird. As one would expect in Switzerland, the lounge was spotless. It was not busy, and there's plenty of space. Having said that, it's very poor selection of services and food in comparison to the typical British Airways lounge. We visited early in the morning, so we ate breakfast. There is a very small choice of food, a little fresh fruit, and plenty of carbs. But what we did enjoy was taking our food, and it was very pleasant to go out and sit on the terrace and watch the airplanes as we ate our food. We've been to the Swiss airport before as we've traveled Swiss Air back to the United States. They have a similar setup that you can go out onto a terrace and watch the planes. It's actually a really great experience to be able to sit here, eat your food, and be able to see planes loaded and taking off. It's fun to be able to see all the different brand airplanes. Some of these air carriers I wasn't familiar with, and I had to look them up. So I didn't realize Edelweiss had one time been associated with Swiss Air. Some of these other brands you can see here, Air Anka, I don't even know what that is, but it's kind of fun to be able to sit here and watch these different planes as they take off. Some of these air carriers are more probably familiar to the Europeans, but as an American, I'm more familiar with the United and, of course, Swiss Air, but some of these other European, you're just not familiar with it. Overall, the lounge is not a bad experience. It's just not the best lounge I've ever been to. But it is kind of fun to be able to sit here and eat your food. Hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe and like this video to see other travel videos. Thank you very much.